Hi, I'm Eva, one half of the Yarza twins. We made some designs for Smirnov using the amazing SmartStream D4D software, and this is Guy from HP who is going to show you how to use it click by click.
Hi, I'm Guy. By now we already know how to create a mosaic channel and how to set its parameters. It means how much zoom we want, what is the rotation that we want. Now we're going to use the mosaic feature in a slightly different method. What we're trying to do is we'll use the shuffle spot colors feature in mosaic. Shuffle spot colors allows us to take a specific seed file, use its colors, and then to change them to a totally different set of colors. So if in my seed files I created, let's say 10 spot colors, I can change all 10 colors with a totally different tone of colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this body over here, and I'm going to use this specific image and change its colors. So this is a fixed image. I'll just remove it, and I'll create a channel. Go to my VDP layer, create a box, create a channel. I know that it's supposed to be 108 by 108. And I'll just place it where it should be. Now I'm going to double click on it to go to modify image channel. Select, instead of image files, dynamic image. The application is HP Mosaic. I'm going to use fitting as fill frame proportionally and use the alignment up. Again, I'm going to use my images path as I did before from default, and I'm going to hit settings. In settings, I'm going to use this demo template file, and I'm going to change it a little bit. So the data is the close that we're going to change, and I'm going to edit it. Going to edit set. Now, instead of using a specific seed file, I'm going to use just one image of the body. It's one of these. I'll select this one. Instead of using a minimum scale and a maximum scale, I'll just use 1 to 1. It means don't change the size at all. Also, the position will stay at random because it doesn't change, and the rotation is none. I'll click the shuffle spot colors to enable shuffle spot colors, and I can see the colors that I already have in my seed file in the body image. I'll click edit. Again, I have all the colors here, and I can do one of both. I can either shuffle these colors within themselves, so if the sweater was orange, the next record will be blue or yellow or whatever, just shuffle within them, or I can change them with a totally different set of colors. I have a predefined sets over here that I can select from, and I can also create my own set of colors. If I'll click this plus button, I can give my color set a name, and I can select colors. I can start with pink, and I can select yellow, etc. But I can also do something else. I can select the last color, and let's say put it as blue, and I'll get the tones of colors between the last color and the end color. I'm not going to use this set. I'm actually going to pick one of the predefined ones. Let's try this one. And I'm going to change all of them. I can also select just one color. Let's say I just want to change the yellow one. So I can do that, but in this example, I'm going to use all of them. Click OK. Delete the unnecessary seed files, and save my template. Now when I click preview, the D4D will create a mosaic image, but with a totally different set of colors as I defined in my set. Now I can also create a set colors that using the project scheme. So I already have this set up. I'm just going to use a defined template. I'm going back to the channel, modify image channel. I'm going to select, instead of the template shuffle that we created earlier, I'm going to select the Smirnoff project color. Again, I'm going to use close. I'm going to edit it so we can see what colors we're using. In the shuffle spot colors, I created a set. I called it Smirnoff. These are the colors that I'm going to shuffle with. Click OK. Save. And now when I click preview, I get the same body but with a Smirnoff project's color. So what we learned here is how to use Mosaic in a slightly different approach, how to use the Mosaic template to change the colors of a specific seed file and not use zoom or rotation. By now, we've taken the body and changed its colors. What we're going to do now is we're going to add another step. We're going to take multiple bodies and change their colors as well. So this is the channel that I created for the body, and I'm going to modify it. So I'm double clicking the channel to enter the modify image channel, going to the mosaic and change its settings. I'm going to use the template Smirnoff colors, and now I'm going to edit it. So I have this template set up over here. It has minimum scale of 1:1 and rotation is none, and I have shuffle spot colors. I can duplicate this seed twice because I want 2 more bodies, and then I can select a different image for this one. So I'm going to use this one as well. Again, select shuffle spot colors, edit, replace with the Smirnoff colors. I'll do the same here. And I'm going to click OK. Save, close everything, and enable preview. So right now you can see that I have a totally different body, but with the Smirnoff campaign colors. Now I can change all of these bodies to a totally different set of colors. Let's say I want to use the Smirnoff brand colors. So how do we create that? Going back to the channel, modifying it. I can duplicate this template file, call it Smirnoff brand colors, and edit it. I'll create a new set of colors, brand colors, and I'll select the colors. I'm going to use the color codes, and I'm gonna save this. Oh, sorry, forgot the white. I'm gonna replace all of these colors with this. Again, I'm gonna do this. Just wanna delete those and duplicate them so I'll have the same color. Duplicate SID twice. Select the images again. And press OK. I'm going to preview this. So now I have all the bodies with the Smirnoff brand colors. Basically, you can do a lot of manipulations with these colors, and you can have as many channels as you want, each of them with a totally different template using totally different colors.